are not up to date on my videos, I have purchased a new power tool the other day, and it has arrived from Amazon, and it is take two. It has arrived from Amazon, and that tool is the Milwaukee 12V multi-tool. So far, I have not used the blade for my job as a handywoman, full-time handywoman, self-employed, but I have used the sanding component to smooth out an area that I had to chisel out. But today, I'm gonna just cut up the pieces, and I'm not gonna try to take out the nail part. I'm just gonna cut it off using this. And I don't have my safety goggles, it's in the car, and I really don't want to run back and forth downstairs. I'm just gonna use my glasses, which might be a worse idea, but who cares, right? You know, we gotta get out of here, Missy. So that was 4. Maybe I should do it at 12. It would cut faster. But I got this piece. I don't have a speed square, so I'm just gonna use this level like that and cut maybe a little bit this way. This is my first one. Second one looks straighter. Third one. Fourth one. Not bad. It's still kind of like looks kind of crooked, but it could be because I drew the line crooked and I went on both sides. I think the trick is to go from one side and finish. There's something here. I think it's a screw or something. Okay, I might have to stop here because it's really loud. Okay, the sawdust is giving me so many allergies or something. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to take a sip of this. I'm going to take out these nails somehow. They're really stuck on there. I get really nervous about being so freaking loud because I don't have like a shop or anything. But I guess ultimately, whether that's in here or outside, there's construction everywhere, so as long as it's during the day, I can't imagine people will be too angry. I don't know if this is really gonna work for building a wall, but I'm hopeful. You know, I don't want to already start doubting myself when I haven't even tried. Typical me, you know. Start getting all worrisome and then you end up doing nothing. So I want to be like that. Terrified. This is how far I got. I pretty much cut most of the other half. I'm gonna leave this for another day. I'm gonna try to get this off right now. And these nails. What the hell was going on with this part? The final product. Okay. Oh, I made a mess. So what have we learned today? This tool is still pretty loud for my apartment, but it does cut wood like a dream. And now I have quite a few pieces to construct something that is like a mock wall. Oh, I will eventually use this drywall. I will. When I build this wall, I will use it. But today, we will end the video taking this apart.